Well, good morning and welcome back to our final fabulous segment here on Cityline. I made my way over to Marianne of Celebrity Cake Studios. Hello, my
Hi,
dear.
how are you?
I'm well, and it's always a delight to see you, and not just because you bring icing and cake, just because you are as sweet as they come.
Oh, thank you.
So, all right, first off, let's talk about what we have in front of us here, because yes, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are going to be the #1 trick-or-treat candy, but for my money, I would rather have cake. So how do we go about doing that?
You can come to the store, Celebrity Cake Studio. It's just in downtown Tacoma by the Tacoma Dome.
Yeah.
Or you can order from Dragonfly Cakes, our sister company, and ship nationwide.
I love this. Okay, so when I walked over here,
Yes.
I said to you,
Yes.
I think we got it. We do. We have a really great camera shot of this. And I said, oh, what are these? I'm going to maybe do this. It's a leaf.
It's a little cakelet, like a cake
It's a
pop.
cakelet, but this is the deal. She said, smell it.
Yeah.
It smells like spice cake. This is like for those of you who can remember a scratch and sniff. This is amazing because who knew? Oh, look at this. Who knew that icing could smell as good as this?
Oh, yes.
Does all of your icing smell like that, or can you make it smell a certain way?
Oh, absolutely. We can mix it with any, flavors like raspberry, pumpkin.
I love this. So if you are a parent and you're thinking, okay, I'm taking my kids around on the trick-or-treat map that we talked about, but I got to have something in the car to eat along with my coffee. This is the perfect thing.
Yeah.
Now, you've got cupcakes, but what are these?
These are little petit fours. These are boo bites that can be found on our website, shippable nationwide, so you can share with your friends and family from afar.
I love that. Boo bites.
Boo bites.
Oh my gosh. And then, of course, we have right here the boo cake.
Yes.
So the boo
Cute little
cake,
ghost.
this is fabulous. I mean, these ghosts are so precious. So what flavor is inside of the boo cake?
This one's chocolate with Bavarian cream.
Ah,
This is
only?
pumpkin. Yes. And you can customize it too to a different flavor if you'd like.
So when I call on the phone, I can say, I would like it to be yellow cake inside with raspberry icing. Can you accommodate that?
Yeah. It'll look a little bit different, but still cute.
Absolutely. All right. So, and then let's talk about also these little things. So you talked about boo bites, but what are these?
These are also part of our little spooky collection, little ghosts.
I love that.
That can be shippable. These are our petit fours, vanilla and chocolate. We have pumpkin, maple, all sorts of flavors.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So you mentioned that you are located by the Dome.
Yes.
And is that a place that people can walk into and look at your cakes?
Absolutely. We have a great parking lot, ample parking. We have a great space you can walk in, buy cupcakes. There's some little, teaser.
I love that.
Our holiday offerings.
So, okay, so once we get past Halloween, okay, now we're talking.
We've got little
chocolate.
Desserts. Yes, we have a lot of chocolate options in our shop. These are petit fours that you can buy.
That is incredible. Oh,
and teaser for winter.
Yes. If you are a winter wedding, wouldn't that just be so beautiful?
Absolutely.
And this is, of course, I look at this and I think harvest.
Yes, absolutely.
So for those of you who celebrate harvest or you celebrate a meal where you sit down with a turkey, that would be perfect. Oh, wait. Oh, my God. Day of the Dead.
Yes, Day of the Dead. We have a lot of that going on, too.
That is beautiful.
We've had a lot of great weddings this fall. It was a very busy fall.
Oh, my God. Okay, that is bake-off worthy, beyond bake-off.
That was an 18th birthday.
That was an 18th birthday. So how do you come up with your designs? Is it a team effort, or do you dream these and have a pad of paper by your bed at nighttime when you wake up?
We do a lot of custom work, so it's a lot of, driven by our customers' requests and just the talent in our team.
That is incredible. So you're saying that I could see something in a magazine.
Oh, yeah.
And I could bring in the picture and you would say, yes, I can do this, or I can do this with modifications, or no, I cannot do this. Please leave my building.
We've got a really great, talented team, and we can do mostly anything.
I love this. Okay, so for those of you at home who are a home baker, can we get a picture of this? This is incredible. Oh, I need to hold still because I'm causing problems over here. This is beautiful. There we go. Okay, Amanda, there we go. Oh my gosh, so forget the black icing.
Yes.
Get the white icing, do a little food coloring,
Yes.
and a little bit of these beautiful gold balls. And what kind of icing is this?
This is vanilla buttercream, your favorite.
Oh my God.
We'll also be posting our cake decorating parties here soon.
Cake decorating parties?
Yes.
Okay, tell us about those.
So we will provide the cake all done up. You get to ice it, you get to frost it, decorate it. It's instructed for an hour. It's a great time with family and friends.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so now I'm going to change my thought about the holidays where it's like, okay, we're going to meet and forget the dinner. We're going to decorate cakes, and then you take your cake and go home, and I don't have to clean my messy house.
Absolutely. We'll do all that for you.
I love that. Any age can decorate a cake?
Yes.
Okay, any age,
Any age.
any group. How big
Any
can
skill
the group
level.
be?
Probably about 15 now.
15, and then what's the price of this amazing event that you can do?
It really varies from like 95 to 130 depending on the difficulty of the design.
I love that. So, and can we do like little pedophores also? And
Those will be coming up soon, but we mainly do cakes and cupcakes for now.
I love this. You know, Marianne, you make it so easy. Remind our folks at home how many years you've been in business now.
26.
What?
26 years in September.
Did you, when you started this, did you ever imagine it would be 26 years?
No, it's been a long time, but it's been so fun.
Well, and you have the gift of family that also works with you.
Yeah.
But I have to say, every time that you are in here and you bring in either family or a member of your work family, it feels, the love is unbelievable. So I could imagine that working there, even if I'm not family, is going to be fantastic.
Oh, it's fun.
I love it.
Have a great time.
And you get to take home cake.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, I love you.
Well,
that wraps up another great segment of Cityline. It's always a pleasure and a privilege to be in your home. We've given you some great things to do and some great things to eat. So go out there, be a part of the tapestry, and pay it forward. And when you come back, as always, we'll be waiting for you right here at Cityline. Take care.